Mr. UL. Every day them niggas talking like they getting hard. And I'ma run up in your house and then I swear to God, you wanna talk a lot of shit, we dare you in your yard. You wanna talk a lot of shit, we taking all your dogs. You wanna be the man that's taking, nigga, take it then. But take it out my fucking hands, nigga, you the man. And I'ma hustle, I'ma grind, I'ma stand my ground. I represent the Ace Town, nigga, know the sound. They wanna talk and we sippin' and we riding foes. We riding deep, now you wanna talk, nigga, go. You retarded, y'all dumb, I'ma in the show. And I'ma take over this game, nigga, under your nose. And I'ma grind, I'ma keep on doing me, I'm grinding. You can see me in my motherfucking street, I'm shining. Gotta take it to the end, where I'm about to be. I'm gonna be the fucking greatest that you ever seen. And now you see me, now you hear me, now you fucking don't. I leave your body in the fucking ditch to a dome. You wanna talk, nigga, kill your ass by dawn. I'ma hit you in the broad daylight in the mall. In 30 minutes, yeah, I got it, I'm a minute in. I gotta hold this shit right here like a minute hand. You ain't ready for me, nigga, better think again. We bringing choppers in the P90 straps again.